Good morning, friend. Myself, Mehzabin Sheikh. Vibrant Science School welcome you all on online teaching. Today we are going to learn the revolutionary age 1813 to 1848. As conservative regimes tried to consolidate their power, liberalism and nationalism come to be increasingly associated with revolutionary in any regime of Europe, such as Italian, German state, the provinces of Ottoman Empire, Ireland and Poland. These revolutionaries were led by the liberal nationalists belongs to the educational middle class elite, among whom were professors, school teachers, clerks and members of commercial middle class. The first upheaval took place in France, in July 1830. The Bourbon kings, who had been restored to power during the conservative reaction after 1815, were now overthrown by liberal revolutionaries who installed a constitutional monarchy with Louis Philippe at its head. When Francois Metternich once remarked, "The rest of Europe Koch called. The July Revolution sparked an upspring in Brussels, which led to Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdom of Netherlands, an event that mobilized nationalist feeling among the educated elite across Europe was a Greek war of independence. Greece has been part of Ottoman Empire since the 15th century. The growth of revolutionary nationalism in Europe sparked off a struggle for independence among the Greek, which began in 1821. Nationalists in Greece got support from other Greeks living in exile and also from many West Europeans who had sympathized for ancient Greek culture. Poets and artists lauded Greece as a cradle of European civilization and mobilized public opinion to support its struggle against a Muslim empire. The English poet Lord Byron organized funds and later went to fight in the war, where he died of fever in 1842. Finally, the Treaty of Constantinople of 1832 recognized Greece as an independent nation. The age of revolutionary start with the romantic imagination and national feeling. Second is hunger, hardship and popular revolt. Third is the revolution of the liberals. Fourth one is the issue of extending political right to women was controversial one within the liberal movement, in which large number of women had participated active over the year. Women had formed their own political association, founded newspapers and taken part in political meetings and administrations. Despite this, they were denied suffrage right during the election of an assembly. Suffrage means right to vote. When the Frankfurt Parliament converted in Church of St. Paul, women were admitted once as observers to stand in the visitor gallery. Though conservative forces were able to suppress liberal movement in 1848, they could not restore the old order. Monarchs were beginning to realize that the cycle of revolution and repression could only be ended by granting concession to the liberal nationalist revolutionaries. Hence, in the year after 1848, the autocratic monarchy of Central and Eastern Europe began to introduce the changes that had already taken place in West Europe before 1850. Thus, serfdom and bonded labor were abolished both in the Habsburg dominions and in Russia. The Habsburg rules granted more autonomy to the Hungarian in 1867. This way, the age of revolutionary began from 1830 and it end at 1848.